Hi, I'm Lance Grace, the District Maintenance Engineer. Welcome to Maintenance. Come on in. Now that you're here, let me tell you about myself. As District Maintenance Engineer, I have the pleasure of working with all the staff in District Maintenance and our field offices, including Tampa Operations, Districts 1 and 7 Structures Maintenance Office, Pinellas Operations, and Brooksville Operations. I work closely with the field offices to execute the maintenance program. Maintenance is possible with our joint efforts in District 7. Together, we fulfill the mission, vision, and vital few. District Maintenance supports the equipment and resource needs of these offices. This can include many things: a new air compressor for the shop in Brooksville using operating capital outlay funding, also known as OCO, refurbishing the boat in the bridge office. Fleet budget is used to purchase heavy equipment, heavy-duty trucks, passenger vehicles, and an occasional exotic. Well, actually, the fleet budget is limited and there isn't enough for Lamborghinis. So back to reality. The concrete crew in Tampa Operations asked me for a new mixer. We made it happen. My role initiates new directives and processes such as District Maintenance Engineer memos and Operations Engineer memos. These memos were used for purchases of electrolyte drinks. I serve as a steering committee member for the Maintenance Rating Program, which updates the MRP handbook annually. Spanish needle will be removed from the list of undesirable vegetation for turf conditions this year. We are inspiring innovation through the use of innovative products and solutions. A product known as Samascreen was used to fill eradicated pavement markings for bicyclists. A permeable ground reinforcement product known as Eco Raster has been placed in the district. The Skyway vertical net uses specialized stainless steel netting to deter suicide attempts. We improve safety in many ways in our daily work efforts. Supporting safety initiatives in collaboration with traffic operations has led to acquiring radar feedback display units for active work zones and wrong-way driving initiatives like these arrows on I-75. I serve as the district's Emergency Coordination Officer, commonly known as the DECO. I will be in the District Emergency Operations Center supporting recovery efforts. Hurricane Eta impacts from last November were observed with traffic cameras in the EOC. Our generators are load tested prior to hurricane season. Our winter weather response includes this spreader and bagged de-icer pellets. It may be strange for Florida, but we must be prepared for whatever comes our way. Supporting requests from law enforcement are held in high regard by me. A recent example is the installation of no parking signs due to illegal camping on the Skyway Fishing Pier Access Road. I meet with elected officials. I met with Senator Dean regarding the Burger Station access permit on US 41 in Citrus, Commissioner White about Brazilian pepper on I-75 in Hillsborough, and Senator Brandes to discuss landscaping on the Bayway in Pinellas. I like wildflowers. I support the program. They are unpredictable but beautiful. Finally, you might see me in the field getting out there to better understand what it takes to keep maintenance great. Bridge inspection at the Skyway, in a dump truck at Brooksville's Rodeo, doing litter removal for Tampa Operations, or ditch cleaning also at Tampa Operations. Enjoy the rest of the presentations as we tell you all about maintenance. We are your district maintenance office.
Yeah, we will take care of it. I will call you back today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, FDOT family. I am Catherine Vickers, and I am the Administrative Assistant for Lance Grace, our District Maintenance Engineer, and for the whole District Maintenance Office. I make sure Lance's calendar is up to date and he knows what is on his plate for the day. Due to the volume of emails that Lance receives, I am continuously checking his emails to advise him if anything urgent comes up. I review all incoming personnel actions from the operations centers. If we have a vacant position here in the District Maintenance Office, I am assisting in hiring and updating position descriptions if needed. I also coordinate the public records request for the District Maintenance Office and the operations centers and make sure phone calls and customer inquiries are answered in a timely manner. In our District Maintenance Office, we strive very hard to provide the best customer service. We listen to our customers, respond quickly, and follow up. The Department of Transportation distributes financial assistance each year, and the Title VI program makes sure that this is provided to all communities. We have to report the amount of work orders issued on a quarterly basis, and I am the Title VI coordinator for our office and the operations centers. And last but not least, I take care of anything that falls on my plate. Thank you. We are your district maintenance office.
Hi, I'm Yolanda Allen, the Administrative Secretary for District Maintenance. I support the District Maintenance Office in safety, purchasing, property management, timekeeping, fleet coordination, and supply. This support includes invoice processing, P-card processing, assigning new fuel PIN and fuel cards across the district, drafting and processing property management reports for all of the equipment for District 7, while providing excellent customer service and keeping a close watch on our budget. I am also the coordinator of the Highway Safety Memorial Marker Program, a vital customer service program that maintenance provides to families that have lost loved ones. Though the face of maintenance has evolved over the years, the mission is still the same, and that is to support in-house and external customers to maintain our roadways. We are the District 7 Maintenance Office.
Hi, I'm Jackie Beebe. I'm the Deputy District Maintenance Engineer.
My team handles and oversees maintenance contracts, monitors permits for compliance with department standards, and all other applicable rules and regulations. We're responsible for the administration of our maintenance rating program and maintenance safety feature inspection contract. We manage various programs, including the Maintenance Work Program, for timely funding of several contracts in order to support our operations centers with their efforts. We also perform plans reviews on projects during their design life and provide technical support to other district divisions as requested. We're dedicated to supporting highway safety efforts and in utilizing the latest technology available. We have developed a maintenance storm sewer program, a highway lighting inventory using mobile LiDAR equipment, the Adopt a Highway, and the Boardwalk inspection programs, all in GIS. We continue to promote innovation in our work activities in order to disseminate information and data to our internal and external customers. We believe in working together to achieve our goals while providing great customer service.
We are your District Maintenance Office.
Hi, I'm Dave Skrlunas, the District 7 Permits Engineer.
My main function is a liaison between our operations centers, Tallahassee, and district offices for permitting issues. The main tool we use in permitting is called OSP, or One-Stop Permitting. A permit is required anytime someone wants to do work within the FDOT right-of-way. Permits are required for activities such as an access permit is needed for this property owner to be able to connect his driveway and turn lane to the state road. A utility permit is used when a contractor wants to install a utility within the FDOT right-of-way, such as this directional boring operation. A new permit is not needed when trimming trees around an existing utility for general maintenance. The original permit can be cited to do the work. A road closure permit is used when a local agency wants to have a special event and needs to close the state road in order to make it possible. A construction agreement is needed when a local government or private entity constructs or places equipment within the FDOT right-of-way, and when complete, the equipment becomes the property of the FDOT. An example of this is a new traffic signal. A community aesthetic feature agreement is used when a local government wants to place a feature such as a welcome sign within the FDOT right-of-way. The local agency will maintain the feature.
We are your District Maintenance Office.
Hi, I'm Evangeline Black, and I'm the District Maintenance Project Manager too. Florida's Adopt a Highway program has been very successful in reducing the cost of litter removal and improving the appearance of highway right-of-way throughout District 7. Volunteer groups enter into a 2-year agreement with DOT, during which they agree to conduct litter removal 4 cycles a year with an option to renew. Many miles of highway are adopted district-wide by various organizations, allowing civic-minded people to make a difference in their communities. This eases the load of DOT work crews, enabling them to devote more time to other road maintenance and special highway projects. This program has removed over 10,000 pounds of trash per year from our roadways for the entire district. A GIS layer was created to track the begin and end of each agreement and show locations of existing groups. This helps new groups that are interested in the program choose those areas that are available. The Boardwalk program is specific only to District 7. This program assists with keeping the surface safe and accessible for our pedestrians when considering maintenance and repair. The walking surfaces must be free of tripping and slipping hazards. To stay in compliance with our Maintenance Rating Program, or MRP for short, there are 3 scheduled inspections a year for the boardwalks. These inspections rate the boardwalks on a scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being failure and 5 no maintenance needed. These inspections assist with prioritizing scheduled maintenance. In 2016, District 7 Maintenance Office established a storm sewer program that included the desilting and videotaping of the storm sewer system in order to address department needs for short-term maintenance and long-term storm sewer rehabilitation needs. This included the creation of the storm sewer system in GIS. This system was designed to track the history by clicking on a specific pipe in the GIS to view the videos and inspection reports. As part of the initial phase of this effort, a criteria development had to be established that would uniformly rate pipe conditions in order of priority. District 7 Maintenance Office adopted the National Association of Sewer Service Contractors, short for NASCO, grading criteria with some modifications, with the main focus to classify the repair urgency of the storm sewer pipe and to address any immediate need to prevent failure in the system. Currently, we have 40,830 pipes in our inventory. So far to date, we have assessed 6,619 pipes. Out of that, 699 pipes have been sent to the operations centers for repair. This program does not just benefit maintenance, but is proven to be helpful to the other offices within the district. We are your District 7 Maintenance Office.
Hi, I'm Sean McBride, and I'm a District Maintenance Project Manager 2. I am responsible for our district-wide maintenance rating program, sign, guardrail, boardwalk, and attenuator inspection contract, as well as our district-wide emergency roadway and ground repair contract. The maintenance rating program is a uniform evaluation system for maintenance features on the state highway system. It's defined as a method of conducting a visual and mechanical evaluation of routine highway maintenance conditions. The purpose of the evaluation is to provide information that is used to schedule and prioritize routine maintenance activities and provide uniform maintenance conditions that meet established departmental objectives. We've recently started using GIS with our maintenance rating program inspections, which will display all the inspection locations on a map. Selecting a location will display the characteristics that meet or do not meet departmental standards. Photos are now available for characteristics that do not meet departmental standards. This contract also includes periodic inspections and inventory for guardrails, attenuators, boardwalks, and signs that are not covered under an asset maintenance contract. In the event of a depression or a sinkhole on state roads within our district, I will coordinate the geotechnical investigation and repairs if needed, utilizing our district-wide emergency roadway and ground repair contract. I'm also the district champion for in-service performance evaluations, or ISPE, and your point of contact for e-maintenance. E-maintenance is the use of mobile devices coupled with software applications as tools to perform maintenance work in a more efficient, streamlined manner in a paperless, cloud environment and with statewide data reporting capabilities. Crash cushion and guardrail approach terminal in-service performance evaluations is used to update inventory and collect incident data. Features coming soon include crash cushion and guardrail inspections, rest area and truck comfort station inventory and inspections, sign inventory and inspections, and the maintenance rating program. We are your district maintenance office.
Hi, I'm Gene Jombra. I am the District Maintenance Contracts Administrator. When roads are designed, a considerable amount of attention is given to safety, not only for motorists, but pedestrians, bicyclists, and now even autonomous vehicles. Not to mention that the state of Florida is an attractive retirement location for our more mature drivers. With routine maintenance, the department is able to keep our roads in peak operating performance, which translates to safe roads. 90% of the maintenance or repairs on all state roadways are performed under maintenance contracts. Just think about that for a second. Almost all of the maintenance activities you see while traveling on state roads is performed by our contracting partners. District 7 averages 60 maintenance contracts at all times, with an annual budget in excess of $61 million. I oversee all maintenance contracts, ensuring funds are available to create contracts, that all contracts are managed effectively, assisting with contract disputes, and making certain all contracts follow departmental procedures. In District 7, we use 3 types of contracts to provide maintenance contracting services. The first type is work document-driven contracts. These contracts address individual activities such as mowing, guardrail repair, striping, and sign repair. The second type of contract is performance-based. This type of contract addresses a specific operation, such as lighting repairs. The third type of contract is asset maintenance. Asset maintenance contracts address all activities within a corridor or geographical area. In District 7, we have asset maintenance contracts that address corridors such as our I-75 contract, and we have asset maintenance contracts that address geographical areas like our Pinellas and Citrus County-wide contracts. Always remember, a well-maintained road is a safe road. We are your district maintenance office.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Fisher, Senior Contract Manager on the District 7 Contracts team. My key focus is to deliver increased customer service, which is an element under fostering talent in the vital few. Whether my customers are contractors or consultants, operations team members, or my coworkers, I strive to help by enhancing education and to support in a collaborative way to accomplish mutual goals. In the process, perhaps pass down any knowledge that I have gained from my 34 years of service. I have been able to assist our customers working with most computer systems, including specs on the web, project pre-construction application, site manager application, bid question and answer site, EDMS, EOC, and Flare, among others. I am all about customer service, so let me know how I can help you. Lights are everywhere, and it is a huge safety feature for both the motoring and pedestrian public. We have 30 partnership agreements with Tampa Bay area cities and counties, along with asset maintenance contracts and a performance lighting contract to maintain lights on our state roads. We have over 26,000 lights for which the department is responsible. We are in the process of re-inventorying every light in District 7 using the mobile LiDAR technology through our consultants contract. This initiative is part of the vital few element for using innovative and time-saving ideas. We are your district maintenance office.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline Barbarian, the Senior District Contracts Manager.
As the Senior District Contracts Manager, I have several roles and responsibilities to support the department in its daily functions. Perhaps the largest and most involved part of my job revolves around the district's maintenance budget. I manage the budget for the District Maintenance Office. For fiscal year 22, our total budget in maintenance is roughly $62 million.
I use a spreadsheet to track how that $62 million is being spent, which is broken down by type of contract, operation center, and type of funds, along with financial project number. These projects will shift and change throughout the year as needs arise, but the total plan balance must remain constant. At the start of each fiscal year, we report to central office how much money we expect to commit or encumber each month, and our goal is to have actual monthly commitments come within a certain percentage of that target. You can see that broken down here with the total plan amount circled. I maintain a spreadsheet for the current fiscal year along with separate spreadsheets for the next 5 years. In addition to managing the maintenance budget, I also program these funds through our mainframe system and work program administration. Every FPN is entered as you see on the spreadsheet with associated dollar value per fiscal year. In addition to managing the maintenance budget, I also review several documents for accuracy and completion before execution. The documents I review are supplemental agreements, contract renewals, specification packages for new maintenance contracts, and CFPRs, which are contractor field performance reports. I also help support our site manager application. This is the site that department personnel use to approve invoices for payment to our contractors. The goal is to always accomplish these tasks as accurately and efficiently as possible, and to keep all our projects running smoothly with continuous maintenance service for all our roadways. I'm proud to be part of a team that works together every day to ensure great service happens consistently.
We are your district maintenance office.
Hello, my name is Anita Montjoy and I am the Deputy District Maintenance Administrator.
I am responsible for the submittal of the D7's yearly maintenance program budget to Tallahassee, and I oversee the District Maintenance Office operations budget. I am also very blessed to work with a dynamic and diverse team of employees who are responsible for our environmental, emergency, maintenance management systems, maintenance and planning roadway inventory, fleet, roadside vegetation, and maintenance agreement programs. My focus for the team is training and using technology to make maintenance data more tangible and accessible for our customers. For example, this fiscal year, Tim facilitated 3 different training sessions for our Tampa and Brooksville mechanics, and I believe that ongoing training is a critical component of fostering talent for our mechanics. We are also using technology to enhance customer service, and we are doing this by putting more data on GPS platforms. Randy has placed maintenance agreements in the D7 GIS portal. John added the D7 NPDES viewer as a GIS option so that internal and external customers can access drainage inspection reports. And Angie works continuously with OIT to make sure that the Survey 123 app is effectively revised as needed so that District 7 can quickly restore our roadways after an emergency. An upcoming major change is that all RCI data will be placed on a GPS platform, and the way FDOT employees view RCI and straight line diagrams will change. And Sherry will be sending out a survey to inquire how you, our end users, use this inventory data.
I am happy to be working in maintenance during this period of change and technological advancements. And my team is ready to leverage the power of data. And with easy data access, all FDOT employees will be able to make effective transportation decisions as we all strive for the FDOT's goal of Vision Zero. We are your district maintenance office.
The restoration of our transportation network following a disaster is imperative to the economic recovery of our region following a disaster. How do we do that? Through planning, training, and exercises. Who coordinates that? I do. Hi, my name is Angela Abrisk, and I am your District Emergency Coordinating Officer. I am responsible for ensuring that District 7 is prepared to respond to and recover from any disaster that impacts our region. And I also play a key role in coordinating the emergency response.
District 7 is vulnerable to all sorts of hazards: sinkholes, tornadoes, hurricanes, flooding, and winter weather. I maintain multiple emergency plans to guide us through them, such as the Comprehensive Emergency Management Plan, Continuity of Operations, Workplace Contingencies, Debris Management, and Emergency Shoulder Use for Evacuation. And yes, we even have a winter weather event plan. To support those plans and ensure that our personnel are aware of their roles in them and how to implement them, I coordinate and provide training and exercises. Some of the training provided is District Emergency Operations Center staff, emergency response teams, Federal Highway Emergency Relief, which is also provided to local agencies, and damage assessment. I also develop and facilitate exercises, and afterwards I create an after-action and improvement plan. Our exercises are typically for hurricanes, but we've also done exercises for things like evacuation and a skyway emergency response. And then there's response. At that time, I'm responsible for activating the District Emergency Operations Center as needed and coordinating response efforts, such as coordinating incoming and deploying personnel and equipment, ensuring that financial project numbers are established and provided to the appropriate district personnel, providing assistance to local emergency managers and other state agencies, coordinating Federal Highway Emergency Relief reimbursement, and activating pre-event and emergency contracts. I also develop situation reports. But I'm not doing it all alone. It takes a team effort. The full team of personnel is referred to as the Transportation Emergency Management Team, TEMT. I maintain a current roster of district personnel to serve on the TEMT. It includes district EOC staff and our 5 volunteer response teams. Those teams are agency representative, damage assessment, public information emergency response, motorist support, and the Florida Division of Emergency Management, which provides support to shelter operations. We can always use more volunteers. I encourage you all to review the team descriptions on the Emergency Operations SharePoint site, and when you decide that you are interested, contact me for more details. Everything that I do depends on input and support from others throughout the district. Together, we can identify innovative ways to respond to and recover from any disaster safely. I am Angie, and this is what I do.
We are your district maintenance office.
One of the many areas of district maintenance is our fleet program. Usually, when the word fleet is brought up, people assume the conversation is regarding the motor pool. The fleet program accommodates more than just passenger vehicles.
Hi, I'm Timothy Brown, and being the fleet manager of District 7, it is my responsibility to respond to the equipment needs of our district.
Whether it is heavy equipment for hauling, constructing or maintaining the state's transportation assets, or passenger vehicles to transport personnel to conduct department business, District Fleet is here to accommodate every DOT worker in their vital job to the department's mission. I personally work hand in hand with the operations centers to make sure our equipment and maintenance records are accurate and up to date, and our fuel commodities are ordered and available to the department and other state agencies.
We are your district maintenance office.
Hi, I'm John Eiton, District 7 Maintenance Environmental Specialist. One of FDOT's mission is to help preserve the environment. I do this by
collaborating with construction during the building of our stormwater pond systems. We ensure maintenance accepts the responsibility and the ownership of the final product. Having these mitigation and stormwater sites helps prevent local stormwater flooding on our roads. I also oversee the National Pollution Discharge and Elimination Stormwater Program. One of the challenges we have is illegal disposal discharge into our state stormwater systems. I also complete annual reports for each county to the Florida Department of Environmental Protection, public outreach, illegal disposal, discharge, maintenance, and preventive solutions. With this assistance from the local governments and agencies, FDOT works on regional environmental initiatives which include wetland protection, stormwater maintenance, and basin management. We accomplish this through the joint partnership agreements and interlocal agreements with the counties. One of the new exciting ways we're using innovative methods to control invasive plant species is through an experimental biological program with the University of Florida. We are placing these small insects called thrips into Brazilian peppers along the Courtney Campbell Causeway. All of my duties help to preserve the environment and our wildlife, and for future generations. Feel free to contact me in maintenance if you have any questions. Thank you. We are your district maintenance office.
Hello, I'm Sherry Meloragno, MMS-RCI Coordinator.
MMS stands for Maintenance Management System. My job function for this role includes tracking the production of all maintenance activities performed by the field crews and contractors. MMS plays a role in determining our yearly state budget. I use this data to help submit the yearly state budget to the State Maintenance Office. RCI stands for Roadway Characteristics Inventory. RCI is important because that is how maintenance receives its state budget and federal funding, and because of this, it is important that our RCI data is accurate and timely. RCI includes inventory of features such as the number of raised pavement markers, highway signs, mowing acres, etc. I am responsible for collecting both maintenance and planning data. This includes collecting data for approximately 1,200 miles of on-system roadways and 7,500 miles of off-system roadways for planning RCI. I am also responsible for keeping straight line diagrams and key sheets up to date, and I also oversee the establishment of roadway IDs. Maintenance and planning RCI is changing. Personally, I am using new technology to collect data in the field. I and some of our field offices are using video which records GPS coordinates and a linear referencing system during inventory collection. These are exciting times for RCI because we are using new technology such as LiDAR and using a GPS platform to collect inventory, focusing on supporting our vital few through innovation.
We are your district maintenance office.
Hello, my name is Randy Bratcher. I'm the District 7 Roadside Vegetation and Wildflower Coordinator.
I am responsible for overseeing the maintenance of our roadsides, which include shoulders, ditches, and slopes. My functions include inspection of the herbicide program and overseeing the tracking of invasive plant species. A fun part of being the Wildflower Coordinator includes working with the D7 operation centers, local governments, and different organizations to select favorable wildflower sites. A large part of my job duties include preparation of all maintenance agreements, or the acronym MOAs. I prepare MOAs for trails, landscaping, pavers, pedestrian overpasses, and construction and maintenance agreements for on and off system projects that have state funding. To provide the best customer service, I have created a SharePoint page for all MOAs in addition to placing the MOAs in the D7 GIS portal. But if you need determining if there is an agreement on a particular roadway, you contact me. Some of my responsibilities are in no particular order, but include wildflower program, herbicide program, yearly D7 vegetation manual, wildflower summary, and MOA inspections. And most important, innovation to help improve roadside vegetation, safety, and budget.
We are your district maintenance office.
We are District 7 Maintenance.
We are D7 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 Maintenance.
We are your district maintenance office.
We are D7 Maintenance.
We are D7 Maintenance.
We are D7 Maintenance.
We are D7 Maintenance.
We are District 7 Maintenance.